And we're back with a taste tester vlog. So today we have PK's juice base made in Edmonton, Alberta. And this is a product that just started about a year ago. So now everyone is gonna try the drink. So first off, we're gonna try the first one. This is pineapple ginger. We're gonna try that one. So everybody grab the first roll, grab a shot. And you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Salud.
It's delicious.
Good.
This one's good. It's not that strong.
It's not that sweet.
Yeah,
It's okay.
It's good, actually.
That's good.
I like
Not
it.
super sweet. The ginger's not
It's good.
super strong, but it's going good. Okay.
I like it.
Okay, now the second one we're gonna try is ginger beer. Ginger beer is always good. Everybody grab one. One, two, three. This is okay,
Oh,
yeah.
my favorite.
That one.
I love this one.
This is really good.
This one hit.
That
Jeez.
I can smell the ginger.
This one hit.
Yes, that's good.
I can
Oh, man.
smell it.
Ooh, it's good, actually.
that's my favorite.
Okay.
That one's good.
That one to clear any
I
sickness.
enjoy it.
Okay, next one is carrot juice. We're gonna try that one. Everybody grab one. This one is like super thick. Try it. Try it. No, grab the drink.
Sheena, come on. Promise.
You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. This one is not my favorite.
I don't like
It's
this.
different.
This one is like, there's nothing
No.
sweet added to it.
No.
I knew it.
This one's more like,
This is like
This is the
organic,
top.
healthy.
this is a healthy one. This is healthy. This is vitamins.
Healthy for you.
If you
I
skip
don't like healthy, so.
your vegetables today, this is the drink.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, the last one is a sorrel, Jamaican sorrel. Like this is a drink we have at like special events like Easter, Christmas. Okay, so everybody grab your sorrel, grab one, and don't drop it on your clothes. Patrick.
Yeah, man. Now go drop it.
There's
Hey.
one more.
These guys grab.
You're gonna like this
Never know
one.
the sorrow.
Okay, 1,
Yes,
2,
you're gonna
3.
like this one.
That's good.
Okay, yeah. The sorrel is good.
That's how it tastes like. It's how I'm allergic, you know.
It's good though. It's not like you can add.
That's how it tastes
The
better.
sorrel is good, and also if you drink alcohol, you can add it. You can add it to it.
Some rum would be really
Big up to
good.
PK juices. I think you just made me like sorrel again.
Okay, so I'm gonna go first.
Ginger beer, my favorite.
My favorite one is ginger beer.
Yep.
I like
Mom,
the
next?
second
Hands
one.
up.
That's my favorite.
Ginger beer.
I like the ginger beer.
Ginger beer. Yes.
Like, that's just it.
Overall,
Okay.
overall, we like the ginger beer.
Ginger and carrot.
So all I can tell you guys to do is you're gonna see the link down here. PK is juice, and you guys order it. Try it out. It's organic.
It's affordable too.
Yeah, it's family made. That's one thing we want to support. They're made.
Support local.
Made in Alberta, Canada. It's good.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
FLT vlogs.
For all the people that don't have 20/20 vision, carrot juice is good for your eyes.
And we out.
Carrot juice.
Thank you guys.
That one?